Welcome to my Indian astrology. Today we will discuss about how to create a birth chart from planetary position. So what is a birth chart? A birth chart is the map of the sky at the time of a birth from a particular location on Earth. What is an ascendant? The ascendant or lagna is the astrological sign and degree of that sign that is rising on the eastern horizon at the specific time and specific location. The ascendant sign is the first house of a birth chart. So this is the Earth's surface, and surface meets in the sky at this point, and this point is known as ascendant, and this ascendant is positioned in Libra sign. So this is our planetary system, and this is the Sun and this is the Earth. So this point is the ascendant point. So let's map it to the horoscope. So the first house is Libra, and here also the first house is Libra. Now, where is the moon position? If you look through the moon, it is positioned in the Scorpio sign. So now we will map the moon in the horoscope. So moon is positioned in the Scorpio sign, and here Scorpio is the second house of the horoscope. Now let's look for the Mars. Mars is positioned in the Sagittarius. So let's map Mars in the Sagittarius, which is the third house of this horoscope. Now let's go for the Jupiter, and Jupiter is positioned in the Capricorn. So let's map Jupiter in the Capricorn sign, which is the fourth house of this horoscope. Now go for the Saturn, and Saturn is in the Aquarius in its own sign. So we are mapping with Saturn with Aquarius, which is the fifth house of this horoscope. Now Sun is positioned in the Aries sign. So Sun is mapped with the Aries sign, and it is positioned in the seventh house. Mercury position in the Pisces. So let's map Mercury, the Pisces, which is the sixth house of this horoscope. Venus is positioned in the Aries sign. So let's map Venus with the Aries sign, which is also the seventh house. Now there are two planets are remaining, that is Rahu and Ketu. Actually these are the shadowy planets, not the original or natural planets. So Rahu position in the Libra sign and Ketu position in the Aries sign. Ketu is always seventh house behind of the Rahu. Remember that. So let's map Rahu in the Libra and Ketu is in the Aries, which is the seventh house of this horoscope. So this horoscope is completed. All the planets are positioned or mapped with this horoscope. This is how a horoscope is created with the planetary positions. So this is the end of the video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.